You've heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and whatever your cousin is hyping this week. But what actually makes crypto crypto? Why does crypto confuse so many people? Give me 3 minutes, and I'll make crypto make sense. Cryptocurrency, in short answer, is digital money, but not the kind you see in your bank app. Crypto means secret, code that keeps things safe. Currency means money. So cryptocurrency is money that lives on the internet and is protected by math, not by a bank. It lives online, in code, and it's controlled by, well, no one. No paper, no coins, no boss, just code. And those shiny gold Bitcoin coins on Google Images aren't real. That's just graphic designers having fun. How it actually works? Crypto runs on something called a blockchain. Don't panic, it's not that deep. Imagine a giant notebook that everyone can see and everyone has a copy of. Every time someone sends crypto, the transaction gets written on a new page in that notebook. And once something's written, it's locked. No erasing, no whiteout. Not even your sneaky friend who always tries to change the group project grades. If someone tries to cheat and change their page, the other notebooks don't match, and the system is like, nice try, buddy. To keep the notebook honest, computers around the world solve super hard math puzzles. This is called mining. When they solve a puzzle, they get rewarded with new crypto. Kind of like when a video game gives you coins, except these coins might actually be worth something. To use crypto, you need a wallet, but not the leather kind. A crypto wallet stores two things: your public key, like your username, your private key, like your password. Lose that private key and your crypto is gone forever. There's no forgot password button. There's only oops, I just lost thousands. Why people love crypto? People hype crypto because you can send money fast to anyone, anywhere on earth and anytime, even at 3 a.m. when banks are asleep. It's like the internet version of cash, but smarter. Here's the flip side. Crypto is wild. Prices can go up fast and drop even faster. It's like the roller coaster your mom told you not to ride, but your friend dared you anyway. And if you send crypto to the wrong person, or you get scammed, there's no bank to fix it for you. The transaction is permanent. Crypto can make people a lot of money, and it can make people lose a lot too. It's not magic, it's not a shortcut. It's a tool, and like any tool, you need to understand it before using it. So don't FOMO. Learn first, invest later. If you want more simple financial breakdowns, no jargon, no boring lectures, hit subscribe and tap the bell. And comment below which crypto name sounds the funniest to you. See you in the next one.